Ever wished for a total glow up as a teenager? I've got your back with a step-by-step action plan. No BS, no time wasting. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Building a solid base. Before we dive into the fun stuff, let's lay some groundwork. Embracing what makes you, well, you is key to glowing up. That means owning your quirks and celebrating your uniqueness. Forget about comparing yourself to others. It's a total buzzkill. Instead, focus on being the best version of yourself. Own those quirks, flaunt those strengths, and let your individuality shine. Glow Up Skincare Secrets. Let's get real about skincare. Having clear skin can seriously boost your confidence. Trust me. First up, find a simple skincare routine that suits your skin type. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to kickstart your day. It's like giving your face a fresh start. Moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and protected. And don't forget to use sunscreen if you're heading out. Oh, and here's a golden rule. Hands off. Resist the urge to touch your face throughout the day to keep those annoying breakouts at bay. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Your future self will thank you for taking care of your skin now. Healthy habits. Let's talk about fueling that inner glow. Start by chowing down on a balanced diet with fruits, veggies, and lean proteins. Think of it as powering up your body for the day. Don't forget to squeeze in some exercise too, whether it's hitting the gym, shooting hoops, or just going for a run. And listen up. Getting enough shut-eye is crucial for recharging and feeling your best. So make sure you're catching those Z's. Remember, a healthy lifestyle equals a happier you. Style upgrade. Let's talk about upgrading your style game. Your style is like your personal billboard. It reflects who you are. So, experiment with different clothing styles until you find what makes you feel awesome. Look for clothes that fit well and show off your unique shape and style. Don't shy away from mixing and matching patterns and colors. It's all about expressing yourself. And hey, don't forget the accessories. Whether it's a cool watch, a statement necklace, or a dope hat, adding some flair to your outfit can take it to the next level. Confidence boosters. Trust me, confidence is the secret sauce to glowing up. First off, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and take on new challenges. Set some goals for yourself and give yourself a high five every time you crush them, big or small. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Stand tall. Practice good posture to instantly ooze confidence wherever you go. And hey, visualize yourself slaying your goals and believe in your ability to make it happen. Remember, your glow-up journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time and be patient with yourself.